Alright people, me there make a little small video. Yeah, me I say people, all of we can be a winner, you see me I say? But when me follow you on Instagram and you don't follow me back, next man follow you, you don't follow them back. And so you have 1,000 followers. I want to look on your followers them where you would follow. You follow like 5 somebody. And you have 1,000. Or you feel if you have 1,000 people that follow you, but you only follow 5. Yo, all of we can be a winner. You see me I say? Facebook, Reel, we follow up on that, we don't follow it. YouTube, follow on all some of them big YouTubers, yeah. Every whole person somebody follow on, we not even follow them back. You see me I say? We don't subscribe to them. So all the things say like we're gonna be a better person over there. You know what I say? If 1 million somebody follow on, we must can follow about the 1 million person. All of we can be a winner. You see me I say? So let's start it from here. Me follow you, you follow me. You see me? So everybody can be a winner. Yeah, you don't take nothing to follow on the back. You know what I say? A little views to can't kill on because we don't follow some big celebrity. And then not even soon, and we as little local. Uno not follow back. You see me I say? And Uno are local on yourself too. So you wanna do better than that, man. You see me? Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Reel, Instagram Reel, everybody. All their platform them, please, wanna just follow each other. You see me I say? Yeah, like, we'll start it right here. So you follow me, me follow you. Zin? So just comment and say you follow.